Alexandra Palace, affectionately known as Ali Pali, was intended as a grand gesture, a beacon of leisure and learning for the Victorian public. Its doors opened with much fanfare on Queen Victoria's 54th birthday, May 24, 1873. Crowds flocked to this palace of the people, eager to experience its myriad attractions. However, this joyous occasion was short-lived. A mere 16 days later, disaster struck. A fire sparked by careless workmen ripped through the palace, engulfing its grand halls and innovative features. The blaze left behind a charred shell, a stark reminder of the palace's fleeting existence. The speed and ferocity of the fire shocked Londoners. It served as a stark reminder of the destructive power of nature, even amidst the grandeur of human creation. Yet from the ashes of this tragedy, a spirit of resilience emerged, a determination to rebuild this beloved landmark. The original vision for Alexandra Palace was ambitious, a grand dream that sought to create a space unlike any other. It was to be a multifaceted destination, a beacon of culture and community, a place where people from all walks of life could gather for entertainment, enlightenment, and recreation. It was designed to be a melting pot of experiences. The palace housed a grand concert hall, its acoustics designed to rival the finest auditoriums in Europe. This hall was a sanctuary for music lovers, where the notes of symphonies and operas would resonate with unmatched clarity. A theatre stood ready to host plays, operas and ballets, promising a stage for both established and emerging artists. It was a place where stories came to life, where drama and emotion could be felt in every seat. A circus ring offered thrills and laughter with daring acrobats and comical clowns. The circus was a spectacle of human and animal feats, a source of joy and wonder for audiences of all ages. Beyond the walls, the grounds teemed with activity. The gardens were a haven of tranquility, a place where visitors could stroll and enjoy the beauty of nature. A racetrack provided exhilarating competition, drawing crowds eager to witness the thrill of the race. It was a place where the spirit of sport and camaraderie thrived, while a boating lake offered a serene escape, a peaceful retreat where one could glide across the water and leave the hustle and bustle behind. Educational exhibits and displays rounded out the experience, showcasing the latest advancements in science, technology, and the arts. These exhibits were a testament to human ingenuity and progress. Alexandra Palace was conceived as a microcosm of Victorian society, a reflection of its values and aspirations. It was a place where the past, present, and future converged. A place where entertainment and education intersected, where the mind and the heart could be equally engaged, where people from all walks of life could come together and marvel at the wonders of their age. Alexandra Palace was more than just a building. It was a symbol of unity and progress, a testament to the enduring human spirit. Undeterred by the devastating fire that had reduced it to ruins, the resilient people of London rallied together with a shared vision and determination to rebuild Alexandra Palace. The community spirit was palpable as men and women from all walks of life contributed to the reconstruction efforts. Within 2 years, a phoenix rose from the ashes, its spirit unbroken and its grandeur restored. The reconstruction was not just about bricks and mortar. It was about reviving a cultural landmark that held a special place in the hearts of Londoners. The reconstructed palace reopened in 1875, its doors once again welcoming eager visitors who had long awaited its return. The reopening was a grand affair, with people flocking from all over to witness the rebirth of this iconic venue. The palace quickly regained its status as a hub of entertainment and recreation, offering a diverse array of events that catered to all tastes and interests. From theatrical performances to art exhibitions, Alexandra Palace became a cultural epicenter. Its calendar overflowed with events, from grand concerts that echoed through its halls to thrilling sporting spectacles that drew crowds in droves. The palace was alive with activity, a testament to its enduring appeal. In 1895, Alexandra Palace etched its name in sporting history when it hosted the first ever women's football match in England. This groundbreaking event was a significant milestone in the world of sports. This groundbreaking event, a testament to the changing times, drew a crowd of over 10,000 spectators. The enthusiasm and support from the audience highlighted the growing acceptance and encouragement of women's participation in sports. It marked a pivotal moment in the fight for gender equality in sports, a legacy that continues to inspire today. The match was more than just a game. It was a statement of progress and a step towards a more inclusive future. The reconstructed Alexandra Palace, bearing the scars of its fiery past, stood as a symbol of London's indomitable spirit, a testament to the power of human resilience in the face of adversity. Its story of destruction and rebirth continues to inspire generations, reminding us that from the ashes, greatness can rise. A sanctuary in times of war, from refuge to internment. As the 20th century dawned, casting a shadow of war across Europe, Alexandra Palace took on new roles, reflecting the changing tides of history. This grand structure, originally built for entertainment and leisure, found itself at the heart of some of the most tumultuous events of the century. During World War I, the palace opened its doors to those fleeing the horrors of conflict. It became a beacon of hope for many, a place where the weary and war-torn could find solace and safety amidst the chaos. It served as a refugee center, providing shelter, food and medical care to thousands of displaced individuals and families. The grand halls and rooms, once filled with laughter and music, now echoed with the sounds of relief and gratitude from those who had found a temporary home. However, the palace's wartime role took a darker turn during World War II. The looming threat of German invasion cast a long shadow over Britain, and fear began to dictate decisions. With the threat of German invasion looming, the British government transformed Alexandra Palace into an internment camp. The very walls that had once offered refuge now became barriers to freedom. Thousands of individuals deemed enemy aliens, primarily German and Austrian citizens residing in Britain, were detained within its walls. These were people who had lived peacefully in Britain, contributing to its society, now suddenly viewed with suspicion and fear. The internment of these individuals, many of whom had made Britain their home, remains a controversial chapter in the palace's history. Families were torn apart, lives were disrupted, and the very essence of what it meant to be a community was challenged. It serves as a stark reminder of the fear and suspicion that can grip a nation in times of war, leading to the unjust confinement of innocent people. The story of Alexandra Palace during these times is a poignant reflection on the duality of human nature, our capacity for both compassion and cruelty, often dictated by the circumstances we find ourselves in. Broadcasting history. Alexandra Palace takes to the airwaves. In the aftermath of World War II, Alexandra Palace embarked on a new chapter, one that would cement its place in broadcasting history. In 1935, the BBC, then known as the British Broadcasting Company, chose Alexandra Palace as the site for its first public television service. The world's first public high-definition television broadcast emanated from Alexandra Palace, marking a pivotal moment in the evolution of mass media. From its iconic transmitter mast, which soon became a familiar sight on the London skyline, Alexandra Palace beamed news, entertainment and sporting events into homes across the capital and beyond. The palace, once a symbol of Victorian leisure and wartime refuge, had transformed into a pioneer of the information age, ushering in a new era of communication and entertainment. Ali Pali had become synonymous with the magic of television, captivating audiences and shaping the cultural landscape. Trial by fire, a second devastating blow. Fate, it seemed, had other plans for Alexandra Palace. In 1980, tragedy struck once more. A second devastating fire, ignited by an electrical fault, swept through the palace, causing extensive damage. The blaze, which burned for over 9 hours, gutted much of the building, destroying treasured historical features and leaving behind a sense of profound loss. The fire of 1980 served as a stark reminder of the palace's vulnerability, its susceptibility to the whims of fate. Yet, amidst the charred ruins, a glimmer of hope remained. The spirit of resilience which had seen the palace through previous trials once again flickered to life. Londoners, determined to honour the legacy of Ali Pali, rallied to support its reconstruction. Restoration and renewal, a modern palace for a new age. The task of rebuilding Alexandra Palace for a second time was daunting. The fire of 1980 had left its mark, destroying much of the palace's original structure. However, architects and engineers approached the challenge with sensitivity and ingenuity. While adhering to the palace's original Victorian design, they incorporated modern materials and construction techniques, ensuring its structural integrity for generations to come. The reconstruction also provided an opportunity to enhance the palace's accessibility, making its diverse offerings accessible to all. One of the most striking additions to the rebuilt palace was a magnificent rose window, crafted from stained glass which graced the south transept. This stunning architectural feature, bathed in a kaleidoscope of colors, served as a symbol of hope and renewal, a testament to the enduring spirit of Alexandra Palace.